We're out and a little lower down than we were before out on the Black Mountain Trail. Taking a look at some conditions here. As you can hear to our left is a creek, but we don't see it. It's kind of disappeared and then pops right back up here. Should be able to hear the creek sound. This is fairly typical for Pisgah in terms of streams and creeks all over the place. As we can see, the trail that's up leading to this creek has eroded extremely badly, and what really has happened to this creek is that it has been sediment loaded so much that it's forced the water underground. The water's really probably at its original level, but we've got so much sediment that has dropped into this location that it feels like the water is underground, which it is, but it's under a giant sediment load is what it's really underneath. So there's no question whatsoever, we're seeing a lot of sediment here, but there's no question whatsoever that a tremendous amount of the sediment, dropped down into the waterway itself and continued on downstream, which is a very large problem from a sedimentation standpoint, particularly in mountain creeks, mountain streams. One of the big problems with sediment is it kills trout, particularly the eggs, which are laid on the bottom. Sediment lands on top, settles on top of the eggs, and the eggs smother or suffocate. So definitely a real problem here on this particular trail alignment with how much sediment has been lost.